For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello and welcome to News9 Digital. I'm Ashish Parekh. Everyone's been talking about coronavirus in India and how the number of cases have been proliferating over the past few days. But one thing that still remains a mystery is when did this virus land in India? How did it enter India? Who was patient number 0? Of course, everyone knows that the official patient 0 was from Kerala and he tested positive on January 30th. But a lot of people have been coming out and saying that the virus has been lingering in the country since much before that and it had gone undetected until this person in Kerala tested positive. But a recent study by a group of researchers has now pinned the timing of this virus having come into the country at around November in 2019. Yes, you heard that right. November 2019 is probably when the virus entered India, and this sounds very surprising because of the fact that the first case from China was reported in Wuhan on December 10th. So how did this actually enter India in November, December, and why did it go undetected? How did nobody even come to know about it? All these are questions that remain unanswered. We'll be talking all about this in this video, but first, let's talk about the study that the researchers have done and what exactly is that, what exactly have they found out from their study and why have they pinpointed November and December as the time when virus landed in India, that is the coronavirus. Now, these scientists have gone ahead with a technique called as time to most recent common ancestor, which actually dates back the virus strain, that is present in the country, and the figure that they've got, the dates that they've got is, this virus probably came into India, or the origin of the virus has been dated to November 26th and December 25. So somewhere around this date, somewhere between these two dates, the virus came into India, and the median time, the median date that they have taken is December 11th. So somewhere around December 11th, coronavirus entered India, and that is when this virus actually started spreading, and that could possibly be the reason why a lot of cases did not were not reported earlier on. What makes this even more interesting is that that particular season was a winter season where a lot of seasonal flus are also common, and this could also have contributed to the situation because of the fact that a lot of people might have developed cold and cough and might have just brushed it off as just normal flus or seasonal flus. This particular timing, this particular date also assumes importance is because this will help scientists, this will help researchers, this will help authorities find out how exactly the virus has transferred and which are the parts of the country that the virus could have possibly transferred. Of course, you have a lot of cases being registered from clusters, but also a lot of people who are testing positive are asymptomatic, and all of these people are being tested positive outside the clusters. So that means that you have a particular place where the cases are being reported. Outside that as well, people are testing positive for COVID-19, and the shocking part is that they have absolutely no symptoms of COVID-19. So this is why this particular date assumes importance, because the gap between 11th December and 30th January is too big, and there could have been large scale transmissions that could have possibly taken place if this study is to go by. And also they have pointed out towards the MRCA, the most recent common ancestor strain, the Indian strain which has its root in China. They've said that this had started circulating by around November, December, and this is something that they have come out with, and this has also sparked a lot of debate as to what exactly might be the reason of transmission. Also, looking at the timeline of events, the large scale gatherings that were happening during this time makes the situation even scarier. Speaking of the timeline, the first case, like I've been saying, was reported from Wuhan on December 10th, and then you also had the Wuhan lockdown being announced on January 23rd. And shockingly, after that, just a month after that, you had the Namaste Trump event in India as well, where a lot of people had gathered. So if this report is true, if the virus started spreading in India at around November, December, then you can only imagine what sort of a situation we've given rise to. The validity of this, of course, is something that needs to be verified, but also the government needs to keep an eye out on such studies, such researchers, and keep all of these into pictures when they are planning their strategy of relaxing lockdowns and also going about testing people in places that have not yet reported cases. So this is one study that has now sparked rumors as to when exactly the virus entered India. We have the official number, that is late January, but if this is anything to go by, the statistic and the date that has been given is absolutely scary, and the authorities also need to keep an eye out on such researchers. What do you think? Do you think these cases which have been reported in India, the cases that have tested positive, are actually being underreported? Do we still have large-scale transmissions taking place across the country without anyone having any idea about it? Or do you think the authorities have done a good job and all of these researchers and studies are just contributing to the fear psychosis that already exists? What are your opinions? Make sure you comment in the comment box below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to News9. Thanks for watching.